Hey there, my name is Katie and thanks so much for watching today. I just finished walking. I love walking. It is like the best exercise. It is very therapeutic to me and I enjoy it so much. I was also able to get a little bit of running in, and I also was able to do a little bit of weightlifting. I have they're 5-pound weights, okay? So nothing crazy, but I was able to get a little bit of extra movement in, which is what I felt like doing today. So that was really, really good. When I was getting my day ready today, I kind of planned out my meals, which I usually do, so I have a good idea of what I'm going to eat. That way I don't have to spend a lot of time thinking about it. But when I was looking at my menu, I thought to myself, it's a busy day. These are really relatively simple meals or things that could be made ahead of time. And I should put this out there because I think that a lot of times people get very, very caught up in making things overly complicated when they really don't have to be when you're eating plant-based. A few simple seasonings will make many, many things very delicious, and pretty much that's what I try to do. I try to focus on the flavor and not necessarily worry about mixing up the bases of my meals too much. So here we are. I'm going to film this plant-based what I eat in a day, and I hope you enjoy. Let us go make breakfast though, because I am hungry. While my kids are working on their schoolwork, I am going to finish prepping my lunch. I make a salad for my husband to take to work every day, and I basically do it in the morning, but whenever I cut up the lettuce for his, I cut up the lettuce for mine as well. He tends to like different things on his salads from what I like, so they don't usually have the same toppings, but if I can get my lettuce cut up when I cut up his stuff, it just makes life so much easier. With my lettuce already chopped, I pretty much just have to put together a little corn salad that I like to make and pull a couple of things out of the refrigerator, like some beans and also this cashew salsa mix that I love. This salad has a very Southwest feel to it. If you had some baked corn tortillas or some tortilla chips or something like that, you could crunch that on top. That would be really good. If you had some pepitas to add on top, that would be really tasty as well. If you like olives or tomatoes, you can totally dress this up to be the way that you would like it. I just wanted to give you a couple of ideas for how I like to make my Southwest salad, but it's always changing. I mean, if you have a salad every day, which I pretty much have a salad for lunch every day, you need to switch things up every once in a while. My favorite part of this salad is the corn mix, corn salsa, corn salad to go on top of my salad. I don't know, whatever you want to say or call it. I really enjoy it. It is delicious. And also I think it keeps pretty well in the fridge, so it will last several days and I'll be able to enjoy it on tacos another night, or I can just have it on salad again. That works too. For this corn salad, I add 1 can or about 2 cups of rinsed frozen corn, or just 1 can of drained corn, whichever one you have. I also have some chopped onion. I also have cilantro, as well as half of a lime that I've squeezed over the top and also sprinkled with salt. When I'm ready to eat, I just pull out my greens. I also like to add a little bit of Taco Bell sauce on the top. I've tried so many different hot sauces. I just like Taco Bell sauce. I don't know what that says about me, but it's good. It's really good. Well, I was setting up the shot and Hi, Sneaky. I booted her out for a little bit, and she was not happy about that. And she still won't forgive me. And then here's this guy. He's upset I haven't given him any beans yet. Yeah, don't worry. You can have a couple beans. Well, our busy day is coming to a close and I am about to make dinner. I put some rice on earlier, so that is cooking, and we're just gonna have roasted vegetables. I love roasted vegetables. I just think they're so yummy, and for some reason when they're roasted and have been baking in the oven all that time, they have such a great texture and flavor. It feels really infused. I also like that when I make roasted vegetables, I can kind of use whatever. So like I have this head of broccoli. I know I need to use that up. When I chopped up the onion for the corn salad, I ended up saving half of it so that I could put that in with the roasted vegetables tonight. I have a bunch of carrots. I also have, oh yeah, I have a carnival squash, which I'm excited about. So I'm going to chop that up and roast that all together. I'll season it with a few things and it will be delicious, I'm sure. So that will be served with the rice, and I have some of my goddess dressing that I need to use up, and I'm just going to drizzle that over the top because I think that stuff tastes good with almost anything. So that is my simple plant-based what I eat in a day. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas for things that you can eat in order to make your life easier on a plant-based diet. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope that you enjoyed it and gave you some fresh ideas for foods that you can make for you and your family. Have a great day, and remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff.